Well, guys, we've eclipsed 100,000 miles. Me and the van, me and the beast, the Big Lebowski, the Great White Hope. She has many names, and she's been tasked with a lot of tasks, whether that's work, travel, or recreation. But she's never turned me down, anything I've asked. It's always been whatever I've asked her to do, she has set out to do. Wherever I've wanted to go, we have gone. And so, as I look back on the last 100,000 miles of travel, work, recreation, there are some key notes in there. 25 oil changes, 3 fluid services, being coolant, transmission fluid, differential fluid, brake fluid, front and back brakes, a set of tires, a few repairs, AC compressor, cam and crank sensors. I've even replaced the windshield and the catalytic converters. But all in all, only a few repairs to say I've went 100,000 miles. I've got to see 16 states in this van, 22 national parks, and 6 presidential libraries, and so many other places in between, big and small. Obviously, I can't list them all. The list is endless, but to conclude eclipsing 100,000 miles is just a milestone, and I'm looking for the next 100,000 and what it brings in the future. But until next time, guys, I'll catch you on the next adventure.